Hey guys, so welcome back to another amazing life video. If you are new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe. Your girl is at the Duport junction right now, and I'll be showing you guys the latest road construction that is ongoing right here at the Duport junction. So and make sure you share this video with your friends, okay? The intersection. We are doing road patching. Wow, it's so beautiful. Where I'm standing, we are trying to put the something along the road. So let us walk and then go and see. That's the plane truck. The Kota car right here. This is huge. This is huge, guys. Here, see what is happening here. Wow. So they blocked the other side, yeah? So it's like they demarcated the whole road to avoid traffic. So in here they are going to put like a flower or something. Yeah. Wow. So this is how it's going to the 80 Tower Road, and the other side is the one that is going at the DIAB junction side where that truck is going. Yeah. In this other area, guys. Wow, let me cross that road and see that other area. So pretty, guys. There. I'm going nowhere. Wow. See here? So this other intersection here. Now the car will be going like this. The rear line. Those who coming straight going up. So this place, there won't be any traffic here, guys. It's demarcated the whole place. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this beautiful, guys? This is so beautiful. So guys, look at the drainage system right here. Drainage system they are building. This other one is very huge. It is massive, guys. Road construction ongoing here at the Duport junction in Monrovia. It's very beautiful. Very beautiful. So this side is the one that will lead you to DIAB junction. It's already completed right now. And this other road is the one that we use to go within Duport. We use this one to go within Duport like this. It's like a side road. Yeah, it's like a side road, guys. So this is a very good project. I'm so proud of the guys that are working here. I'm very, very proud of them. This is so beautiful. Liberia is on the rise, guys. We will get there. I know it have been a long years. Some of us were not even born. Now we have grown and we are having our own kids. I know we all want something better from Mama Liberia. So seeing this kind of project, it just brings joy to my heart and make me feel like something is happening. Things are getting better within Liberia. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. Let us take a walk to the other side so I can show you guys. Yeah, I don't know if I should get a motorbike to use this other route to go straight, or I should just, yeah, there's the side that is going towards Duport, down Duport there. That's the Duport and they are building over there. Yeah, thank you for the work though. That's amazing. So let us go on the other side and then show you. Not going anywhere. That's what you want to do. So let us go on the side. Let's show you. Let's go on the side. Let's show you. Beautiful intersection. Wow. So guys, I know you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe. Tell me what you think about this development right here, and I will see you guys later.